Hey everybody, my name is Abe Brown and I'm the creator of Your Money Story. Now in Your Money Story, what we're going to be exploring is the beliefs and the systems of beliefs that we all bring to the table called money. Money impacts absolutely every area of our lives. It impacts our relationships, it impacts our goals, it impacts our level of stress, it impacts our dreams. If you're a parent, it impacts your capacity to parent the way that you want. And it has so much to do with our mental health, our emotional health, and even our physical health. What a lot of us don't know is that we have a money story that was formed through many, many interactions, through many, many situations, and even through the trauma and the adversity and the difficulty that many of you have experienced. I know myself, I grew up in a tough environment where there was a lot of poverty, and that really shaped the story that I brought to how I handled my money, how I earned my money, what I did with my money when I got it, and of course, what happened when I lost it. So in Your Money Story, we're gonna be talking about how it is you can begin to shape and shift and change your money story so that you can end up with a money story that supports your goals and your dreams. I'm gonna do a deep dive into some of the skills and the strategies and the tools and the techniques that I have used literally to recover from a personal bankruptcy to literally several businesses operating at the million and the multi-million-dollar level. And we want to be very practical with you. I can promise you at the end of Your Money Story, we're not going to be selling you insurance. We're not going to be offering you crypto. We're not going to be trying to foist some sort of money market investment down your throat. At the end of Your Money Story, you're going to have the tools you need to shift your money story and to change your money outcomes. And so please do join us. All the registration information is right here. And as you shift your money story, every other area of your life will begin to change. Thank you so much.